Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to share with you how to crochet such a small leaf that you can use for decoration any crochet or knitting projects such as bags, scarves, hats, baby blankets. So lots and lots of options. Uh, Later on, you will also find on my channel a cord that will consist of the same leaves and can be also used for decorations. For this leaf, I was using a worsted weight yarn number 4. So I used leftovers that I have and the hook 4.5 millimeters. So if you want smaller leaf, please use a cotton yarn and smaller size of hook, and you will get super tiny leaves for decoration. So let's get started. Make a slip knot and chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count 4 from this side or 6 from the hook. Into the 6th chain from the hook, make a 2 double crochet cluster. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops only. Then yarn over again and insert the hook into the same loop, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops, and now yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook. So you made a 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 2 and now find the first unfinished double crochet. Here it is, and you're going to make a 6 double crochet cluster. Yarn over, go underneath and pull through 2. So this is the 1. Yarn over, underneath, pull through 2. This is 2. Yarn over, underneath, pull through 2 loops. 3. This is 4. Yarn over, underneath. This is 5. Yarn over, underneath, and this is 6. Now you have 7 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first one. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time, yarn over, pull through 2. When you have 2 loops on your hook, remove the hook and turn leaf. Now insert the hook again and leave the yarn behind, like this. Now find the second unfinished double crochet from that cluster and make again 6 double crochet cluster like we did before. So the second one, just pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, this is 3, yarn over, pull through 2, this is 4, yarn over, pull through 2, this is 5, and the last one, 6. Again 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 together, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and one more time, pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, like this. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn the leaf and find chain 2 that you were doing before, and underneath make a slip stitch, chain 2 here, and just a slip stitch. Like this you make leaf on the top a little bit rounded, and that's it. So you can cut the yarn at the end. How do I usually weave in ends? So this one in the back reach, I pull the yarn underneath like this. It makes the stem thicker, and I like how it looks after, but in the back reach. So you need to turn the chain. I would suggest using smaller hook here. Pull. You see the stem looks a little bit thicker, and it really looks better, much better than just a simple chain. And a little bit more underneath 6 double crochet cluster. Like this, and here make a chain and cut the yarn, and the same with this tail. Weave it on the other or on the same side. That's why I said it's better to use smaller size of crochet hook. That's it. Now cut this tail, and that's it. The leaf is ready, beautiful and tiny. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your comments if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. And please stay tuned. I'm going to post a cord, the same idea, just connecting one leaf to another one, and it's really great, looking great. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.